guys, we are here at the Senpai Squad booth at LVL UP Expo. As you can see, there are so many cool merch out here. But what I'm excited the most are their cars, and they're upstairs. So let's go check it out. I am so excited to check out this year's Senpai Squad lineup. And this may be one of the coolest motorcycle I've seen. And I got permission from the owner to get on it, so I'm gonna give it a try. I actually have not ever been on a motorcycle before. Let's see if I can unmount, dismount. Ta-da! It always amazes me, like the amount of art and effort that they put on these bikes and vehicle. So I like this one. Well, you know what? Let's just look at all of them and see which one is the best. I am seeing some cars that I've seen before, but there are some that I've not. This is one I've seen before, but I think last time the light was on, the tail light, I believe is heart-shaped. See? So I'm pretty sure I did a picture like this in a different costume, but the light was on though. Really cool. This one is really cool. I don't think I've seen this one before. Can I hold this for posing? I'm gonna do it. Oh, this thing is heavy. I'm gonna put it back carefully. Very cool. I think one of the coolest truck I've seen here. Oh, look, they have stickers on the rim and a secret Labubu down there. Very cool. Wow, there are so many vehicles here this year. And wow, that's a van? I've never seen that before. Well, not one that is Senpai Squad, so this is a new one. Let's see. It's a Senpai Squad merch delivery service. This is super cool. I think it may be based on a VTuber, actually. Oh my god, there's so much more to see. That's cool. So I think this is a match of Venom and Gwen. This is Venom and Gwen, and Venom is the license plate. I don't know. That's really cool. This may be one of the cooler, more creative design I've seen in terms of the art. This car sits so low. Can you imagine sitting in it? Okay, I'm gonna try to sit on the ground. This is like, how low does this? So low. You can probably feel every single bump. Oh, the inside is really cool too. Is it a Miata? It looked like a Miata to me. I might have taken a picture with this car before because I remember the tailpipe is big. See, I remember this. It's like the biggest tailpipe. I know. I shouldn't touch either. This is so cool. Oh my God, that's so many cool vehicles to look at. And I think I'm biased, but my favorite one is definitely the Miku motorcycle because I got to ride on it. But what do you think? What's your favorite? I hope you guys enjoy the showcase of all this vehicle. It is certainly something new to see every year, and I hope to see you guys next year as well at LVL UP Expo. Take care. Until next time.